guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello! My name is Cheska. At ang video na to ay tungkol sa makeup. Ito naman talaga yung pinakahilig kong gawin for this channel. Again, disclaimer lang guys, kung may naririnig kayong ingay sa labas or ingay ng electric fan, deadmahin nyo na yan. Anyway, I will try to achieve a flawless makeup look. And mostly, I will be using the products of Ellana Cosmetics. Pero meron din from ibang brands. Kasi hindi pang full face yung meron ako dito from Ellana Cosmetics. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, kailangan walang sagabal na buhok. So, clip lang muna natin. Then, nag-skincare na din ako. So, now, we will go straight to primer. This is the DD Plus CC Makeup Primer. Hindi naman to talaga review, guys. Gusto ko lang mag-makeup. Kasi na-miss ko din eh. I'm sure madami nang nag-review nitong product na to. And ito yung na-recommend sa akin ng sales lady from Ellana Cosmetics. So, kuha na akong konti, guys. And then, susunod naman yung cream to powder foundation nila. Gagamitin ko lang to as concealer, guys. Dito lang sa under eyes. I have a pimple right here, so takpan natin. And then, may sugat ako dito, so takpan din natin. And then, I have their Mineral Powder Foundation. And ang shade ko dito is Hazelnut. Actually, before that, meron din akong loose mineral concealer and foundation. Ang shade naman na binigay sa akin is Radiant. So, ito muna yung gagamitin natin pang set sa under eyes. You can use a makeup sponge for this. Pero, ang recommended kasi is brush. So, ayan. And then, kukuha na ako nitong mineral foundation nila. Konti-konti lang yung lalagay natin, guys. Dito muna sa side na to, para makita natin yung difference. Then, of course, don't forget the neck. So, ayan siya. It looks flawless. And matte talaga yung finish niya. Dito naman tayo sa side na to. Tingin ako dito guys kasi nandito yung salamin. So, ayun. Naririnig niyo ba yung ulan guys? Kala ko may umaapaw lang na tubig. So, anyway, wala akong bronzer, contour, and highlight products from Ellana. So, iba na lang yung gagamitin ko. I will be using this Mega Glow Contouring Palette from Wet n Wild. Ang shade ko dito is Dulce de Leche. Just to add warmth to my skin. Very, very lightly. And then, kukontour ko lang yung nose. And why not? Ito na lang din yung base ko for my eyes. So, for my highlights, ito na lang din. Tamad ako kumuha ng ibang brush. So, pretty much, yun na lahat yung powders na gagamitin ko sa mukha ko. We'll see. Pero ngayon, I will use this Flower Power Setting Spray para ma-melt niya lahat ng powder sa face ko. And then, going back to this palette, I will be using this as my blush, my eyeshadow, and my lip color. So, diba? Tipid. Start here, and then going upwards and outwards. And then, blend it. And then, sa eyes, why not? And then, lastly, sa lips. Okay na muna yan. Tignan na lang natin mamaya kung gusto ko siyang baguhin. But for now, that's fine. Kung feeling nyo, intense yung blush nyo, so you can just go over it with your powder. Ito yung ginamit ko lang kanina. So, yan. And then, of course, hindi pwedeng mawala ang kilay. Dahil, right, kilay is life. This is Project Vanity Life Proof Eyebrow Gel in Dark Brown. Bubrush muna natin yung brow hairs. Then I will be using a wet brush. Again, I'm starting at the ends of my eyebrows. I don't like to do much for my eyebrows dahil nakatattoo yan, guys. And then whatever that is left on this brush, ganito lang yung ginagawa ko. Yung kulay niya, guys, is saktong-sakto lang for me. Mukhang natural lang. Since I wanted more color dito sa end ng aking brows, medyo mabigat yung pressure na ina-apply ko. So, dito ko siya hinawakan, close to the brush, and then kung meron naman kayong technique sa pagpipilay, go, yun lang yung sundin nyo. But for me, ito yung nag-work sa akin. Pantay naman siya. So, okay na yan. Hindi ko na ipa-perfect yung brows, guys. Kung hindi pantay yung brows, again, that's normal. Walang problema doon. Just make sure na i-blend nyo lang ng maigi para walang harsh lines or hindi makapal yung kilay. I will be curling my lashes. And then, I will be using this Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal. There. Hindi na ako maglalagay sa bottom lashes, guys. Of course, hindi pwedeng mawala ang highlighter. I will be using this Master Chrome by Face Studio. This is from Maybelline. This is in the color Molten Rose Gold, which is stunning. Maglalagay din ako sa inner corner ng aking eyes. Ayan. Here, then here, Cupid's bow, and then on the chin. I'm just gonna use this Flower Power Setting Spray again. I will use this Lip and Lux. This is in the shade Love is Amazing. So, ipapatong ko na lang siya, guys. Ang bilis niya matuyo, pero ang ganda ng kulay niya. So, parang medyo, meron din ako ng red. This is Love is True, pero parang hindi siya bagay sa look. So, we'll just keep it as is. So, ayan. This is the finished look. So, what do you guys think? Hindi siya yung no makeup look, pero hindi rin naman siya ganun ka in your face. Ang gusto ko dito, guys, sa look na to is yung base. Hindi naman siya nag-cake up sa face. It sets really well on the skin. I hope nakatulong tong video na to sa inyo and nakakuha kayo ng tips from me. Simple lang naman tong look na to, guys, pero I think it will give you that confidence that you're going to work or kahit saan na gusto mong maging presentable. So, yeah. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. And don't forget to click that notification bell para ma-update kayo sa ating next videos. Kung meron kayong video request, write it down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next video. Bye!